All right, we got a little update here on the reconstruction progress. So obviously all the subfloors have been removed, and we determined that a lot of the original joists were pretty shady, to be honest. Like you can see this one here, like the original one only came like halfway. And so these were all supported in the middle of the room just by 2x4s, kind of nailed to the side and stuck down in the dirt there. And not super great. This is a 14-foot span. These are all 2x6s. I'm told standard practice is that you only go like 8-foot span with a 2x6. So it wasn't really holding as well as it could. So we decided to sister everything up, and that's all been done. Everything's screwed together. Looks super nice. I've started working on framing out where all of our heat ducts are gonna come up, and things are looking pretty good, like a lot better. So I'm gonna try and walk across these here and not die. Kind of have a look at the kitchen real quick. So apologies for the unsteady hand here. So here you go. You can see what we've done in the kitchen. Things are looking super good. This PEX here is all the new supply line plumbing that we had ran, because we had a bunch of galvanized in here and we didn't want another water failure. We're actually gonna move this heating duct to here because it's in this doorway, and that's real dumb. There is some weird plumbing fuckery that I'm hoping to get unfucked tomorrow. That's really great. Kind of some, hang on here. So random bullshit heat duct nonsense that we're gonna make better. Yeah, and then kind of you can see down here, we have, and this is not even the worst of it, but there's kind of some erosion of that rubble foundation. Yeah, we're gonna try and figure out a way to maybe stabilize that a little better. But yeah, not bad for 2 days worth of work. We got all the subfloors ripped out and then sistered up all these things. That doorway right there, it goes into the spare room. All the subfloor is gone in there as well. Some serious foundation work probably needs to be done over in there, but I'm not going to show you in this video. And then of course the front bedroom is where all the cabinetry and the range and is living for the moment. So there you go. It's good times.